Just under 2 months ago, I embarked on an ambitious journey with this YouTube channel. My objective was to get it monetized before the year's end. Surprisingly, the channel's growth exceeded my expectations, reaching monetization in a mere 47 days with only 5 videos. Well, I know some might attribute this to sheer luck, but I promise it is not. To dispel this notion, I simultaneously launched another channel in a completely different niche, and guess what? The channel is now monetized with just 8 videos in less than 45 days. This double success made me realize something crucial. Growing on YouTube is not just about luck, though a tiny 1% might be, but sincerely, it's 99% strategic planning. Today, I'll be showing you everything I've learned so far from these 2 channels about starting a successful YouTube channel right now. My goal is straightforward: to accelerate your journey towards YouTube success as fast as possible. Well, before we dive into the strategies I used to achieve this success, let me first share my journey with you via my analytics so that you can see how far and fast I've come. To start with, let's take a look at my analytics on this channel. I started this channel on 15th of October 2023 and posted my first video that same day. The video out of nowhere took off really fast and got over 1,000 views in just 48 hours. Well, even though I trusted my strategy, I initially thought luck played a part, especially considering the rapid growth compared to my previous channels. The success of the first video fueled my motivation, leading me to upload a second video just 3 days later, which also performed impressively well, currently boasting over 18,000 views. The momentum continued with my third video, which has since surpassed 10K views in just a few days, and at that point I had already crossed the 1K subscriber threshold, which means I was only waiting for 4K hours of watch time to apply for the YouTube Partner Program and start making money with the channel. The trajectory of my second channel was similar, benefiting from the YouTube algorithm and bringing in a significant number of views. However, there was a little difference. You see, the first video on this channel, posted on October 27th, 2023, received over 14K views and accumulated more than 4K watch hours. Yet, the conversion rate to subscribers was terribly low. I mean, the channel got only slightly above 200 subs from the 14,000 viewers. So I thought maybe I should just email YouTube to move the watch time of this channel to the other one so I could get it monetized the following day and start making that easy faceless YouTube money. But just as I was about to click the send button, I woke up just to realize it was a dream. Despite these challenges, I uploaded 2 additional videos, which unfortunately were total flops, each getting less than 100 views. So with these unexpected results, I decided to temporarily shift my focus to the first channel, which was showing promising growth. However, a week later, I discovered a significant setback. All the videos I uploaded on the channel have stopped getting pushed by the YouTube algorithm. You see, my first video got stuck at around 5K views, the second one at just a little above 18K views, which was almost how I left it, and the third one also seems like a flop despite believing it will go viral, because putting it together took me a very long time. At this point, I thought maybe I should just quit this channel and focus on the other one because the competition is low there. But before that, I decided to find out what was actually the problem. Then I noticed 2 key problems. First, the click-through rate of my videos was very low, averaging around 4% per video, indicating that my thumbnails were not sufficiently eye-catching. Second, the average view duration for some videos was terrible, with one video dipping below 25%. Determined to turn things around, I focused on enhancing the next video. I improved the editing, added sound effects and transitions, quickened the pace slightly, and employed more captivating text to further improve the average view duration. For the CTR, I carefully analyzed my competitors to identify effective trends and incorporated these elements into my thumbnails. And after implementing all these, here's the result of the video I uploaded. You see, this video achieved over 120K views with an average view duration of around 50% and a CTR exceeding 10%, marking a 100% improvement in both metrics. Continuing this refined approach, I uploaded several more videos, each yielding remarkable results. This strategy not only skyrocketed the channel's watch hours to the required 4K, but also led to successful enrollment in the YouTube Partner Program. As for the second channel, I hadn't completely set it aside. I realized that the underperforming videos lacked engaging content, adversely affecting their average view duration. Despite this, I persisted, uploading about 1 video per week and focusing on improving the average view duration, given that the thumbnails were already performing well with around 15% CTR in the first 24 hours. After just 8 videos, this channel too reached the 1K subscriber milestone and was subsequently accepted into the YouTube Partner Program, all within the same week as the first channel. So, what are the key takeaways from this journey? You see, winning on YouTube in 2024 comes down to 3 important elements. First is strategy, second is doing what's currently working, and third is patience. Starting with strategy. This is key. You need a solid strategy that aligns with your content and audience. For me, understanding the YouTube algorithm and leveraging it for maximum exposure was crucial. You see, this is not one of those optimizing your video titles, descriptions, and tags strategy. Although those factors really matter, let's be honest, just like this guy said. Quality. According to him, the quality of your information, production, and delivery really matters if you want to see good results on your channel. And one thing is, they all go hand in hand. I mean, regardless of whether you have the best video idea, if your production, for instance, editing is poor, just like one of my first videos on this channel, chances are your videos will flop due to the low average view duration it might have. You see, essentially what all this simply means is that creating content that resonates with your target audience is key. Doing what's currently working is another key factor that will help you grow on YouTube. You see, YouTube is an ever-evolving platform, and what worked last year might not work this year, so it's essential to stay updated with the latest trends and algorithm changes. For my channels, I kept an eye on trending topics within my niches and adapted my content accordingly. This helped in keeping the content fresh and engaging for the audience. To implement this, you can just take a look at some of your competitors to see what you can improve on, and I don't mean you should copy them, just try and figure out what they are doing better than you. This might be their thumbnail, editing style, or even the content idea as a whole. Just take them as inspiration to improve your channel. And lastly, patience. This is something many new YouTubers overlook. Success on YouTube doesn't happen overnight. It requires consistency and patience. Even when my videos weren't performing as expected, I didn't give up. Instead, I analyzed what could be improved and kept pushing forward. Remember, every big YouTuber started with 0 subscribers and views. So if you're starting a YouTube channel in 2024, focus on these 3 pillars. But that's not all. Here are some additional tips that can set you on the path to success. Quality over quantity. It's better to post one high-quality video per week, just as I do, than multiple subpar ones. Quality content leads to higher engagement, which is crucial for growth on YouTube. Engage with your audience, respond to comments, ask for feedback, and create a community around your channel. This not only helps in retaining viewers, but also makes them feel valued, increasing the likelihood of them becoming long-term subscribers. Monitor your analytics. Your YouTube analytics are a goldmine of information. Use them to understand what's working and what's not. Pay close attention to metrics like your videos, click-through rate, and of course, average view duration, and figure out how to improve if they are below average. Be adaptable. The digital landscape is always changing. Be prepared to adapt your content and strategy as new trends emerge. Remember, there's no one-size-fits-all approach to success on YouTube. What worked for me might not work for everyone. However, the core principles of strategy, adaptation, and patience are universal. Keep experimenting, learning, and evolving, and most importantly, enjoy the process. So if you enjoyed the video, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel so you won't miss out on more of my videos where I'll be sharing the secret YouTube strategy to quickly blow up your channel. See you on the next one. Peace.